Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, we are taking a look at MagicSignals EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the features and settings that are provided by the developer, review the historical backtesting results, and then discuss the overall historical performance shown by the EA. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, MagicSignals EA is developed by Ola Said Abd El Ghaffar. The current version shown is version 6.8, updated on December 15th, 2019, and the product is available for purchase at 30,000 US dollars, with various rental options available for traders who prefer shorter term access. 1 month rental is going for 1,800 US dollars, 3 months is going for 3,000 US dollars, 6 months is going for 6,000 US dollars, and a year is going for 10,000 US dollars. According to the developer, MagicSignals EA is a fully automated expert advisor designed to open and manage trades automatically using its own internal algorithms. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is the emphasis on money management. The developer specifically states that this EA is designed to use its built-in money management system rather than fixed lot sizing. As we continue through the product description, the developer explains that users simply define their preferred risk level and the EA handles position sizing automatically. There is also a note stating that if the risk parameter is set to 0, the EA will open the smallest possible lot size available for trading. Looking at the key advantages listed on the page, the developer highlights that the EA does not use martingale or grid strategies. The description also states that stop losses are always used to protect trading capital. Additional claims include a favorable risk to reward ratio, compatibility with all brokers, no optimization requirements, and the ability to run on accounts starting from as little as 100 US dollars. Now, moving down to the available parameters, we can see settings such as max lots, use risk, broker spread, and slippage controls. The risk setting is particularly important because it directly influences the money management system that the EA relies on. Higher risk values may increase position sizes, while lower values may result in more conservative exposure. The developer also recommends using USD-based trading accounts, noting that account currencies can affect broker settings and overall behavior. Another recommendation is running the EA continuously on a VPS so that it remains active even when a personal computer is offline. Now, let us move into the backtesting section. All right. As we review the historical testing results, it is important to remember that backtests provide a look at how an EA would have performed under past market conditions. They can be useful for understanding behavior, but they should never be treated as a guarantee of future performance. All right. So let us start by looking at the provided report here. I can see that this was a backtest from 1999 to 2016, $10,000 deposit, over $510 million in total net profit, and the The win rate 93.83%. All right. So this is for Euro USD. This one was for GBP USD. Okay, so Euro USD is yielding over $378 million in net profit with a 93.04% win rate. Now let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how the MagicSignals EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months in 2026. All right, so I'm using the every tick modeling. Looking at the report, from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was $41.3. 32 trades we are taking, out of which 25 were profitable. So that gives us a 78.12% win rate. Largest profit was $180, largest loss $356.7, average profit $38.49, average loss $131.57. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. The EA has a good win rate, but a bad risk to reward ratio. All right, now let us just briefly look at the EA in action. So I'm turning on the visuals right away. All right, looking through the historical trades and chart activity, we can observe how the EA manages entries and exits during the tested period. Since the developer does not disclose the specific entry logic or strategy rules, it is best to focus on the actual behavior visible in the testing records rather than making assumptions about the underlying methodology. One thing I always recommend is running longer term testing yourself. Extending the testing period across different market environments can provide a broader understanding of how the EA reacts to changing conditions and whether its historical behavior remains consistent over time. Okay. Now, as for the historical testing performance, the results shown here reflect the conditions, spread assumptions, broker environment, and risk settings used during the test. Actual results can vary significantly depending on lot size, risk configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Okay. So overall, the MagicSignals EA presents itself as a fully automated MT4 Expert Advisor with a strong focus on automated money management, stop loss protection, and simplified user configuration. As always, before considering any live deployment, I would recommend conducting your own testing and optimization so you can evaluate whether the EA aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.